Hi and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to reuse your old book to make a fairy. This book is my son's previous class book, so he's no more using it. So I was about to throw this away, but then I had this idea which I saw on Pinterest. So I'm folding the book this way 2 times. This will make the body of the fairy or the gown, you may say. Now I'll cut the excess from the bottom. Now I'm making the head of the fairy. I'm using aluminium foil and a dowel. So I'm going to stick this inside the book. Now I'm going to add 3-4 layers of tissue paper to give it a more smooth look. With the old book you can make actually many more things. I saw many ideas on Pinterest. So I wanted to make a fairy. You also make animals and different shapes and use those as a room decor. Now I'm going to make the wings of the fairy. So I am gluing 2 pages together and I'll fold it in the shape of a fan like this. And then I'll divide into half and staple it. So my wings are done. Now another paper, I'll use it as a book. This page I will fold it into many portions and then cut out a book. Now I'm gluing all the pages together. And with the yellow portion of the page I'll also make the cover. This is outer cover. Now I'm hot gluing this fairy's tail, wings behind. This is how it looks. I'm going to attach the book in front. Now with the tissue paper again, I'm just making the hands. I'll add water and Mod Podge so that it dries and becomes hard. Now after it has dried out, I'll just attach the hand from behind. You can hot glue them, but I thought of adding Mod Podge. So the fairy is holding the book and reading. Now with 2 more tissue papers, I am making the veil of the fairy. Now with a napkin, I am making the tiara. So like I make the hands, I am making a round tiara for the head. I'll just add water and Mod Podge to harden this napkin and leave it to dry. Now I'm going to just attach it on its head, and this is how it will look. So thanks for watching till the end. If you would like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.